Are you guys even ready for this? We, as third graders, are going to start learning computer science. Boom! That's huge! If you don't know what computer science is, or you're like, why are we learning it? Let me show you. Computer science is learning how to code. What's code mean? A code is where you write instructions for a computer. So you have to write a code so the computer knows what you want it to do. And then we're going to be coding algorithms, which an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure using for solving computer problems. So we're going to learn how to code algorithms. We're going to learn how to write instructions for step-by-step things that computers can do to solve problems or to make things work. And why computer science? Well, here we go. Most schools don't teach computer science. It says that 90% of parents want their child to study it, but 47% of high school teachers actually teach it. So, hey, we're only third grade, not high school. Why not do it now? Show everybody up. And more than that, we've got a lot of interest, what students like to do a lot. One of the highest percentages is doing stuff on computers and engineering. We're going to be solving diversity problems. We're going to be learning the foundations of computer science. Here's a big one. Look at this one. It says the value of a computer science education. So you can earn like $500,000 in your lifetime just as being a high school graduate. So that has value. Lifetime earnings of a college graduate goes up over double to $1.19 million in your lifetime. But the lifetime earnings of a computer science major can be $1.67 million. That's not a year, that's in your lifetime, but that's still a good chunk of money. So a computer science major can earn more than 40% of what a normal college student would earn. So money, money, money. Money isn't everything, but it is important. So computer science is a fun job because a lot of kids have interest in computers and it pays good money. And there's a high demand for it. For people who can do things on computers because the world is going more and more to technology. So let's learn how to do some of this stuff, okay? I mean, look at this. It says that there are currently 400,000 current openings for computer jobs, computing jobs. It's the #1 source of new wages in the United States. These jobs are in every industry, every state, and they're projected to grow at twice the rate of all other jobs. What's that mean when they say they're in all other industries, all other states? Well, think about it. Teachers, we use computer. We have computer technicians that fix computers or help us debug or find problems and set things up. Think about what your parents do. If they work in a hospital, hospitals have computers. If they work at like a restaurant, restaurants have a computer system where they make your bills and they send in their orders and they print your receipts and they pay. Every industry is turning into technology, technology, technology in every state. So it's a really good, secure job. So we're going to start doing a computer science program called code.org, and you can access it through Clever. So when you log into your Clever, you're going to scroll down until you find where it says science, because this is computer science, and you're going to press code.org. When you click on that, it is going to take you to the code.org website. It's going to show you the Express Course 2020, and we're going to start with the warm-up. So we're doing dance party. Each one of these numbers is a piece of the dance party lesson. So it shows you the first one is a video that you need to watch so you know what to do, and then you'll do each piece as we go through. So let me show you what that would look like. You're going to click on number 1 and watch this video that pops up. Make sure you actually watch this video because she shows you in it step by step how you can use this program. If you don't watch it, you're not going to know what to do. She tells you what each of the sections of the screen are showing you. She shows you how to actually click the code and to write it to make these little characters dance. So as you finish section 1, notice now I have a filled in green spot for that. And then you're going to go to number 2. If it doesn't automatically take you there, just click on it. So now I'm going to do whatever it says to do here. Read the instructions, drag the make a new block into the workspace and connect it inside the block. Choose cat or sloth to create your first dancer. I'll do sloth. And then let me see what else it says. I'm going to move it. Let's see. Do I want to? I'm going to put them at the top. And then it says I can pick the song I want and press run. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. And I can reset it. Okay, so I did what it asked me to do. Very good. You'll know when you've completed it because you'll get one of these cool little pop-ups that tells you congratulations. So you can either watch it again or go to the next one. So you're just going to keep continuing through each one of those little boxes. See, look, now it's going to move you to number 3. There we go. And I've got a little video I need to watch to know what to do. So you're going to keep going to each one of these. Some will be videos, the diamonds are videos, and the circles are an activity that you're going to do. So you're going to just keep going through all of them. Don't panic if you're working on a code and you can't figure it out. That's what computer programmers do. If you're working on something, if you have a code or an algorithm that you're working on and you can't figure it out, you have to keep trying new things. What else could I do to make this work? Because that's what a computer programmer is really going to do. If you're really, really stuck, don't forget you can click on that little light bulb to give you a hint. But I'm on the next lesson, number 4, and it's telling me to add one of these blocks to this. So now when I press up, the cat's going to clap over to the left. So I don't know what that means. Let's run it and see what happens. So I'm going to press up. Oh, and he claps over to the left. Okay. And I'm pressing it, making him do that. I want to replay it. So I can change it. I can make him drop that way. Well, let's try that. Can I do another one? When I press down, then I want him to do what? Dab the other way. So I'm going to try this now. Ready? Reset it and run it. Yep. So you can play with that several times. I can change it to a sloth. I can put him in a different position. I can make sure if you change it to a sloth that you add sloth here. If I want him to do all these different things, a bend, I want to try a body roll this time. Add in several of them. Right now, when I press the space bar, I want him to make sure you change. Now look, that's not clicked. So just play with it and have fun with it, you guys. This is a cool, oh, I don't even know what that is. Let's see what that means. All right, so I'm going to press up, down, and space bar to do stuff. Ready? Up, down, body roll, and space bar. Cool. All right, if you want to keep playing with it, press replay. If you're done, go to continue and you'll go to your next activity. So I think that's quite enough of watching Mrs. Yonke code. It's time for you to do it. So you have, I'm going to have you guys do the same lesson on Monday and Tuesday. So if you're really enjoying it and you want to just do the whole lesson in one day, do the whole lesson in one day. Otherwise, you can break it up into, you can see how many dots there are here. You probably need to get about halfway. Let's see if there's 15. You need to do 7 or 8. Oh, sorry, don't skip ahead. You need to do 7 or 8 of them the first day and then finish that same lesson the next day. So you're going to do this lesson Monday and Tuesday. All right, get busy, have fun.